So I finished my second junk journal and I just wanted to share with you guys. This is for my Aunt Lydia, and I just love how it turned out. I used the file folder tutorial from Artie Mays, and it was so fun. My dimensions are different from hers. I think our file folders were different size, but anyway, I'm going to open it up and show you guys. Oh, this is a letter. Our grandpa just passed away not too long ago, my Aunt Lydia's father, and so this is a letter from one of his notebooks, and it just has a little bit about her and a visit that he had with her. So she wanted me to incorporate that, so I did. I thought it was really pretty. He has really great handwriting. So I open it up, and then got these things just here, which I didn't do a whole lot of decorating on, just because it got really bulky really quick. I wish I had done a little bit of widening on one of the spines, but maybe next time. This is a little envelope. It was white, but I used some paper, parchment paper, to decorate the outside. A little journaling card, just like over there. A little envelope. Maybe I'll be able to get it out. There we go. Oh, I had these little Proverbs cards. They're for coloring, but I went ahead and distressed it and put it in here as well. Sorry, my dogs are trying to get in. Made this little card here. Other card. This little pocket is from a doily. I thought it was really cute. Just cut out the sides and glued it together. Actually made my daughter a journal and did it again. This here is just a locket, and that's our peepaw, and that's my Aunt Lydia's sister, who's also my husband's mother. She passed away a while ago too, so I figured I'd incorporate both of them. There's a little butterfly card. Little hanky. Artie Mays had this little flip through of some paper that she had, so I thought it was really cute and decided to do the same. Made a little collage up here. That's inspired by Rachel Tomlinson. She always does that, and I just love it. Some more journaling cards. There's nothing on the back of them. I got these envelopes off at Etsy, and some little inspirational cards. A little pocket. Sandwich paper bag filled with cardinal birds. She loves those. I didn't really decorate a lot on the papers again on this side, just because it's really thick. Another envelope with a card in it. Collage. Maybe this little. Took some papers out of a journal that I had and just sewed them together at the top. They all have Bible verses on them. It's really cute. Got this cute little card at a thrift store. Another Bible card. And then just the actual printout of this letter, so she can have it to read or journal on whenever she desires. Let's see. And I just decorated that. And get these out of the way. The back. Yep, that's it. All right, thanks for watching.